Welcome to class 7 mathematics, chapter 14 symmetry. We have seen what is meant by symmetry, lines of symmetry, mirror reflection and all in the previous video. Now we are going to answer exercise 14.1. Let's move to first question. Copy the figures with the punched holes and find the axis of symmetry for the following. So here we have to draw the axis of symmetry. In the question, punched holes are given. So here the axis of symmetry have drawn here. Here the axis of symmetry is drawn diagonal wise. Here between two holes we have to draw the line of symmetry. Here also this is the line of symmetry. And next figure, here you can see that we have drawn four line of symmetry, 1, 2 and 2 diagonal wise also we have drawn. Here we have only one line of symmetry. Here also we have only one line of symmetry. Here also only one line of symmetry. Here also one line of symmetry has drawn. Next is circle is given. So the line of symmetry is the diameter. Here two lines of symmetry has drawn like this way. Here only one line of symmetry is there. Next question, given the line of symmetry, find the other holes. Here the line of symmetry they have drawn, we have to find the other hole. So we can see the holes are given on the right side here. The first one, the hole is here, and in the second one down only the hole. So the upside will be, the hole will come here. And the next one here hole is given, so the symmetric hole will come here. And in the circle the hole will come here. And here in the last one the hole will come exactly just opposite to the line of symmetry, like this the hole will come. This you have to draw. Next question number 3. In the following figures, the mirror line, that is the line of symmetry, is given as a dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection in the dotted line. You might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into the mirror for the image. You can do like that way also. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you complete? Figure is given here. Are you guess this one? If you are drawing like this, yes, the first figure will be square. Second is triangle. And the third one is a rhombus. And D is circle. And the next one is pentagon. And the last one is a octagon. Last figure will be an octagon. Three sides are given and a half side of the part is also given. So if you are completing the symmetric figure, we get 8 parts. So it is an octagon. We have to give the name also. Next question number 4. The following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are said to have multiple lines of symmetry. Next, identify multiple lines of symmetry, if any, in each of the following figures. First three ABC they have given. A is a rectangle. It has only two lines of symmetry. and the square has 4 line of symmetry, and the next figure is having 3 lines of symmetry. And in the remaining figures we have to find the multiple lines of symmetry. So we can see in figure 1 we can see 3 lines of symmetry. Figure 2 is having 2 lines of symmetry, and the third one is also having 3 lines of symmetry, and figure D have 2 lines of symmetry, and here it has 4 lines of symmetry, and this figure is having 1 line of symmetry, and the next figure is having 4 lines of symmetry, and the last figure has 6 lines of symmetry. A figure having more than 1 line of symmetry, then we can say that multiple lines of symmetry. Next is question number 5. Copy the given figure given here. Take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and shade a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? So we can draw a diagonal. Here it is given a square, so we can draw 2 diagonals. First of all, we have to draw any one diagonal, and we can see that we will get a symmetric figure about this diagonal. First we are taking this diagonal, and if we are coloring the shaded portion, this here it is given this colored portion, so very next to the colored part you have to shade it, and the shaded figure is shown here, and if we are folded along the diagonals we will get a symmetric figure. Similarly, one more question is there more than one method to do that? We have one more method. If we are drawing the line of symmetry like this way, then also the given figure will be symmetric. Next, question number 6. Copy the diagram and complete each shape to be symmetric about the mirror line. Mirror line is given here. So if we are completing the figure to make it symmetric, we will get the figure as shown below. So children, you have to copy down this in the notebook to complete the figure to be symmetric. B and C is having 2 lines or 2 mirror lines, so you can get the figure like this way. So hope that you will be able to do. You have to do it in the notebook. Next question. State the number of line of symmetry for the following figures. Equilateral triangle. It has 3 lines of symmetry. Isosceles triangle. It has only 1 line of symmetry. Scalene triangle, no lines of symmetry. Square, 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry, and a rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. A parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. A quadrilateral is also has no line of symmetry. And a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. And a circle has infinitely many lines of symmetry. Next, what letters of the English alphabet have reflectional symmetry? Symmetry related to mirror reflection about. Vertical mirror and a horizontal mirror. Both horizontal and vertical mirrors. So the vertical mirror reflection will have the letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Similarly, horizontal mirror reflection will be there for the letters B, C, D, E, H, I, O, and X. Both horizontal and vertical mirror reflection will have the letters O, X, I, and H. Next question, question number 9. Give 3 examples of shapes with no line of symmetry. Children, you know that a quadrilateral has no line of symmetry. Similarly, a parallelogram has no line of symmetry. And a trapezium has no line of symmetry. Scalene triangle is also having no lines of symmetry. Next question number 10. What other name can you give to the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle? We can say the line of symmetry in an isosceles triangle as median. You know the definition of median. Median is the line segment drawn from opposite vertex to the side, midpoint of the side. So in an isosceles triangle, we can draw only one median, and it is same as the line of symmetry of isosceles triangle. Similarly, in the case of circle, we can draw infinitely many lines of symmetry, and each line of symmetry is known as the diameter of the circle. So our question, what other name can you give to the line of symmetry of an isosceles triangle, is median, and circle is diameter. Thank you. You have to complete all these sums in the notebook.